Hi, my name is Thiago Lúcio Bittencourt and I'm Brazilian. I live in Florianópolis. It's island south of Brazil in Santa Catarina state. But I was born in Rio de Janeiro. I have 45, but I'm shaved. And I am a front-end developer. I have a website, personal website. It's thiagolucio.com.br, and in my personal website you can see my LinkedIn profile and my GitHub and other networks, right? Well, my educational profile, I have 2 bachelors and 1 master degree. 1 bachelor's in system analysis, finished in 2002. 1 bachelor's in web development, finished in 2013, I think. And a master degree in design interaction or interactional design, if you prefer. But really it's a UX UI dedicated to interfaces from any type of environment, web or native, doesn't matter. And I have a lot of technical courses, but I don't put my certifications for anybody. I have a Google Drive. If you need to see my certifications, just talk to me. You can see my email on my own personal website, and you can request access from my Google Drive to see my all certifications. In a fast resume, because it's a video, I'm an old web designer in 2016. In the middle of 2016, I started to migrate to the front end because it's not away from me. And the stack is the same, the environment is the same, the knowledge is basically the same, right? The only thing I think changed in this migration is to understand better and deeper JavaScript, working with these frameworks or libraries like React. But the most important here is you understand we have a difference between web design and front-end development, because web design is a mix to programming and design, right? So I have this root knowledge, right? I understand very well design, UX, UI, and web design programming, right? HTML, CSS, JavaScript, TypeScript now. And this is the most important for you to understand my professional fit. So I'm working all range of the front-end development. I start working with UX and UI, UX analysis, create components inside Figma or other tool. And after that, I'm working implementation to these components inside the front-end team, development team, right? I think this is the basic of my professional experience. Today I work in a tech company. This company is a Brazilian company, but American company Biden. And when I come to do this company, I start working with web design system. This design system needs to be a generic because the squad who works with Angular need to use this design system. The people who use React inside company need to use this design system. So I need to create a design system, a generic design system to work with Angular, React, doesn't matter, right? So I start working, create this UI library, if you like, but the correct name is design system. So I use basically in this design system TypeScript, Stencil.js, Azure environment, pipeline everything inside Azure solutions, and Git and Webpack, right? So Storybook to make tests, and from development can export all the props inside the company. And now I work with React Native almost 1 year. And I work in design system team inside the company, or design system squad, if you like. We work creating UI components from React Native environment. And we use style components, React Native, Jest from Test, Storybook, Webpack, Azure environment too, pipeline everything inside Azure Microsoft solutions, because it's a company choice, right? It's not my choice, but it's the company choice. I don't have problems with that. Doesn't matter for me. Linux environment or Microsoft environment, doesn't matter. AWS, doesn't matter for me. But this is my routine now. In a new job, I hope grow up technically. I have a lot of knowledge in all environment, in front-end branch, right? UX, UI, understand UX analysis, UI, create components inside Figma, and implement the code with the front-end team. But front-end now, for me, is my first objective. Be a very great professional and delivery a lot of high quality code and high quality product, high value in resume, right? So I think in the far future, I think be maybe a full stack developer, but I know a lot of front-end professionals, and my I don't know, my expectations is very high from front-end. So I think I have a long and far front-end path to be a professional, I expect, by myself, right? And this is the most important. I think salary is good, is very good. I live in Brazil, so Brazil is an expensive place. And well, I think that get a good salary is good. Work with great technical people, understand better the multicultural working teams, and I don't know, I'm a simple man, simple objectives, and simple methods, right? But it's very important to grow up technically and have my personal life in control, right? I think that is important for me. Well, today, what I can offer for a new company, well, I have a very great background with UX UI, understand all process, all analysis to UX UI, to create components, work with Figma, and create prototypes, and talk to UX, understand the process, the transformation, the design transformation to code, right? I contribute a lot with my team, working, coding, front-end components, design systems, and make our job in the front-end. I understand all range to the front-end development. So this is my offer, my knowledge offer for a new company contract me, right? My dedicated, I don't know, my experience in general. If I can do that for a company, that'd be great, right? It's complicated to talk about that. We start off videos, talk about me, talk about my knowledge. It's complicated, but it's the truth. I am a hard worker, and well, my promise is dedicated. It's understand better, deliver better, everything better I can, right? Fix that. Thank you very much for your time.